Greetings, generals. We continue today with our study of inference, which is basically an interpretation. Today's lesson is part one of a two-part lesson on reading for meaning. Analyze alternative interpretations. This lesson is brought to us by SMART as well as a Macmillan Company, courtesy of them. Let's go over what we're going to do today. By the end of today, you will be able to analyze alternative interpretations in literature. Okay, so let's start. When you read a novel, poem, or play, do you interpret in the same way? Pause the video and answer the question with a partner. Unpause when you're done. If you have the ability to go through the notebook file, you can go ahead and go through it line by line, clicking and dragging as the screen tells you to. Okay, let's see if your discussions match up. A book gives scope for various interpretations. While a beginner may approach a novel or a poem at the surface level, a matured reader will analyze a book more deeply. The success of the books lies in giving room for multiple interpretations. So, do only books written for grown-ups offer a scope for various interpretations? No. Let's click on each star to learn more. Well, nursery rhymes gives rooms, parables, as well as fantasies. Okay, let's check our understanding. An experienced reader is able to infer meanings beyond the superficial meaning. Pause the video and discuss with a partner whether the answer is yes or no. You got it. Yes, an experienced reader is able to infer meanings beyond the superficial. Let's do another question. Political or social constraints may have forced the writer not to state everything explicitly. Is that a yes, no, or maybe? Again, pause the video and discuss with a partner which one you think the answer is, and then unpause when you are done. Let's see, for those of you who said yes. I would have thought yes too, because sometimes it could be the case. So if it's sometimes, it would be maybe. So I completely understand for those of you who said yes, but that's not the correct answer, because not always is that the reason why it forces a writer. Good job. Okay, do meanings change? Can you recollect a few book titles which you found giving various meanings every time you read them? So again, when you go back and you read the book again, you find a new meaning. Pause the video as you write down all of the different books and then share with a partner. Okay, let's discover more. One reads books at a young age just for entertainment. With age, the reader's views about a particular book changes. Exposure to life, experience, and so on makes the reader interpret a text in various ways. I hope you listed a fine number of books, and I hope it varied over your age. Let's look. Old Man and the Sea. Let's analyze Ernest Hemingway's famous novel, The Old Man and the Sea. Let's move this box to read the gist of the novel. Pause the video as someone in your class reads the gist of the novel. Okay, great job. Now let's think of some possible alternative interpretations. What other alternative interpretations does The Old Man and the Sea have? Before we click on the circles, try to write down with a partner some alternative interpretations. Unpause the video when you guys are done. Persistence. Hopefully you wrote that one down. Crusade. faithfulness, optimism, and man versus nature. Again, when you look at these and look at your list, discuss as a class the things that you wrote that wasn't up here, and then also discuss what is up here and how someone can actually interpret these 5 elements as well as yours. Unpause the video when you are done. Okay, let's read between the lines again. These are the words of a panther in the story The Jungle Book. Again, pause the video as someone in your class reads the excerpt from the book. Okay, now write your interpretations of the excerpt you read in the previous screen. Pause the video until everyone is done, and then we'll talk about the next step. Okay, now that you have written your interpretations, share with a partner and then share with the entire class. I hope you guys have a great day, Generals. Talk to you again tomorrow as we conclude this part of a 2-part lesson on inference.